Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on ICICI Bank. Our analyst maintains buy rating on ICICI Bank with a price target of Rs 1200. The bank reported another solid quarter led by impressive growth in core operating profit and lower credit cost. Overall, asset quality outlook continues to remain stable to positive. We believe the bank is on the path of delivering sustainable earnings growth trajectory with sustainable ROA of over 2%. Bank is at the inflection point of the new investment cycle and it is positioned well with superior margins, strong ROE, asset quality, contingency buffers and robust capitalization levels. The stock has outperformed the broader indices in last 1 year and it currently trades at 2.6 times FY24 core book value estimates and 2.2 times FY25 core book value estimates. Next on radar is Ramkrishna Forgings. Our analyst maintains buy on Ramkrishna Forgings with upward revised price target of Rs 580 on robust management guidance, inorganic growth plan, diversification strategies, and management focus on sustaining a high level of operating margins. The company has reported decent performance in Q1 of FY24 and management has maintained a target of 15 to 20% volume growth in FY24. The stock trades at price to equity multiples of 17.4 times and EV by EBITDA multiple of 9.4 times its FY25 estimates. Last week our Reliance Industries. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Reliance with a revised price target of Rs 2,880. Reliance posted decent Q1 performance with 5% beat in consolidated EBITDA of Rs 38,093 crore, led by better than expected standalone EBITDA, while Jio performance was broadly in line. But retail EBITDA marginally missed our estimate due to muted revenue growth of 1% quarter on quarter. We have slightly lowered our FY24-25 earnings estimate by 2% to factor lower GRM assumption. The upcoming AGM of Reliance is expected to bring more clarity and a strategic roadmap for Jio Financial Services, an indication of potential value unlocking from retail and digital services. We firmly believe that Reliance is a compelling long-term investment bet given strong prospect across its business and potential value unlocking from retail, digital service and financial service portfolio. This would create long-term value for shareholders. At current market price, the stock trades at 18 times FY25 estimated EPS and 9.8 times its FY25 estimated EV by EBITDA. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.